Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? All right, it was 1 year ago today. That's right. 1 year ago today, we started the silver squeeze. It's probably one of the single biggest events for silver in a long time. People around the world, even people who don't even stack silver or save silver, got involved. I spoke to people who said, well, Pimpy, you said to buy one, so I did just because. They're not even collectors, but it was great to see all hands on deck. We caused the price of silver to really jump until a huge manipulation took place. Nonetheless, the squeeze has been going on ever since, but it's just not happening to silver. We're seeing a shortage in gold and silver, as well as a couple of other precious metals. So 1 year ago today, Sergeant Pepper told his band to play. Just kidding. Before we get started, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. And you know that if you're thinking about buying gold and silver, and you should be, go check out our friends over there at Money Metals Exchange. The link is down below in the description. If you are a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get a free ½ ounce of silver. So, congratulations to Money Metals, second year in a row, Investopedia's best overall metals dealer. So, what is the consensus on what's going on in the market? One word: manipulation. Everything is being manipulated. Job numbers, manipulated. Inflation, manipulated. Cryptocurrencies, manipulated. Gold and silver, manipulated. Stock market, manipulated. Everything is one huge lie. The powers that be are doing everything they can to keep whatever's going on afloat until they could get in position to do what they plan to do. It seems to me like it's not going according to plan. Bitcoin, $37,069. Ethereum's at $2,454. We got Cardano at $1.03. Hex is at 18 cents. Solana at $91. Our favorite New World Order coin, XRP, is at 60 cents. Dogecoin's at 14 cents. Polkadot's at $17.96. And Shiba is at 4021. Looky here. Yep, Saitama has finally got the Saitama going, and people are responding appropriately. 7025. It's up 13.8%. Over the last hour, it is up 5.3%. Over the last 24 hours, it is up 13.8%. Over the last 7-day average, it is down 16.8%. And over the last 14-day average, it is down 43.3%. And over the last 30 days, it is down 46.3%. You can see the chart right here. It is going in the right direction, finally. Look at the 52-week average chart over here. You can see the little blue dots are mostly towards the low side, with a handful of them more towards the middle. Not very much is going on. Markets are being manipulated. I hope you guys had a chance to check out the video I did yesterday predicting crypto prices, predicting when cryptos will move. Cryptocurrencies have been following the Wycliffe chart now since 2017. It has. And if that's the case, and it's going to continue to do that, well, then it's easy to figure out what's going on. Right now, we're in an accumulation stage. You're going to see it go up, you're going to see it go down, but it's going to pretty much stay horizontal. Not a lot of action, pretty stagnant. This is when you should be accumulating. According to the chart, it should be sometime after the first week of February in which we'll see it take off. We'll see if it's right. Again, there's a lot of different factors this time around. The market is nothing like it used to be. We're looking at a possible worldwide crash. Silver at $22.31. As you can see, it's been acting pretty crazy. It goes up $2 in 2 days, goes down $2 in 2 days. It's going up, down, and it's being manipulated just like everything else. You see, the powers that be and all the rich people are accumulating. They are stacking. they're adding to their stacks, as you should be as well. One thing that hasn't changed is the premiums on these bad boys, that's for sure. To buy silver, it's still in the 30s. We look at gold, we know just like silver, it's just as manipulated. This is just ugly. Let us ride right here. Since yesterday, when gold was around, let's see here, 1852, it is now down to 1785. It looks like it's moving up. Again, manipulated. We are seeing a lot of rich people move into assets such as Bitcoin, yes. Gold and silver, yes. Central banks into gold and silver, yes. Institutions into Bitcoins, yes. So the prices are being held down while people accumulate as much as possible so they can catch our ride on the way back up. Gold and silver, people are holding on to it because they know it's the right thing to do, because once this market crashes, we definitely will see a jump in value, but more than anything, it will protect us from inflation as well as protect our purchasing power, which is really, really super important. And here we go. Look at investors piling into gold, seeking safety from the market. That was a couple of days ago. But we did see last Friday a record number of people pour into gold as everybody's anticipating a rate hike. And that is coming. So you got tapering taking place as well as some rate hikes. They're announcing 4 rate hikes for the year. Let's see if they can just get past one. They're trying to manipulate our thinking by saying, well, inflation is just over 2%, just over. It's at 7% according to you guys. Realistically, it's in the double digits. Like I'm saying, they're lying to everybody and manipulating the markets as much as possible. Pretty soon, the jig is up and we're going to see the man behind the curtain. So make sure you position yourself properly to take advantage of when this market crashes. Silver is under strong pressure as dollar rallies to new highs. Really, how's that dollar rallying? Seriously, I don't get it. Silver is currently trying to settle below the support of $22.80, while US dollar is gaining ground against a broad basket of currencies. Meanwhile, iShares Silver Trust made an attempt to get below the $21 level. I like how they said attempt. In other words, manipulate. Want to just come right to it. How is it that the US dollar is getting any stronger? There's so many of them out there. I don't understand this. The US dollar index gaining strong upside momentum after hawkish comments from the Federal Reserve's Jerome Powell. It has already managed to get above the 2021 highs and is currently trying to settle above the 97.25. In case the attempt is successful, the US dollar index will move towards the resistant level of 97.45. We will see. Again, I think it's a crock of you-know-what. Gold settles below the support level of $1,815 and testing the next support at $1,800. We know it's below that now. So what is going on? Well, it's the paper markets that are affecting everything. Ironically, people are moving into precious metals, but most of them are moving into paper, which is the wrong move. Don't make that mistake. It could cost you in the long run. Anyways, I just thought I'd give you a quick wrap up on what's going on. Look, right now, with all the manipulation taking place, just accumulate. Gold, silver, cryptocurrencies. Don't worry about what's going on every day, whether it's up or down or how much it's up and down. Right now, we're in accumulation stage for everything. So, don't allow the daily changes and volatility scare you away. Sooner or later, it's going to have to go up. Anyways, that's it for now, you guys. Hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel. And I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later. I'm out.